I'm in this Hymer, I think is what it's called, van, and it's very interesting, the setup in here. It's got a pop top. And a big bed up here. Also has a bed in the back. But it looks like, yeah, there's storage underneath. This might turn into something else, like a table. But yeah, and it's got a shower and a bathroom. Here are some of the specs. It's a Ram Promaster. It's very nice. Here is another one without the pop top. So here's the one without the pop top. It's got a skylight instead. The front looks very nice. I like how clean it is. And I got the 2 extra seats and the table that comes out. There's a TV. And Dometic sink, Dometic 2-burner, and a Norco fridge and freezer. And it's got that same bed as in the other one. Lots of windows and storage. There's a little Danby, I think this is a microwave. Yeah, it's a microwave. Nice little bathroom. A wet bath. This is the 3rd one that they have out here. A little bit cheaper than the other ones, and I think it's because of what the back looks like. The back is set up with a couch that turns into a bed, I'm guessing, and then these 2 seats maybe make it come out and be like a whole bed. All these cushions put together, I'm not 100% sure. It's got seat belts. With a little bit of storage in the back there. Oh. And I wonder what this is. A tabletop? Yeah, and there's the stand for the table. It's got the wet bath again, same as the other ones. Oh, this is cute. It's got a roll top, a rolling drawer, and a step up to the nice inside. There's some options. So I just did a walkthrough of the Hymer Ram Promaster camper vans that I'm thinking they're either 2018 or 2019 models. I saw them at the Big Tent event in Quartzsite, Arizona at the 2019 Big Tent event. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so that you find out each and every time I upload. Have a good day and stay curious.